In fact, as the third phase of the lockdown is scheduled to end today, the centre is expected to spell out new rules for the next spell of the lockdown starting tomorrow. Sources say that the lockdown will likely be extended by another 2 weeks. Autos, buses, cabs are likely to ply, but all in non-containment zones only. Delivery of non-essentials in non-containment zones may also be allowed. The definition of a red zone is also likely to be changed. Offices and factories could see more people being allowed, of course limited staff, but will be able to open up. The government could also allow airline companies to resume operations. Domestic flights can start off in green zones is what is expected. Centre has identified 30 municipal areas which account for 80% of the COVID cases in the country. Strict lockdown is likely to continue in these areas. Going back to Rahul Srivastava joining us for more. Rahul, we're looking at fourth phase of this lockdown, lockdown 4.0, of course, with limited restrictions, and most of the restrictions limited to containment zones. Non-containment areas can start business, but with strict protocols in place, social distancing, masks, limited capacity of workers in establishments. They can start off. Will this help slowly spin the wheels of the economy towards the right direction?
The entire package and 5 tranches announced by the government and several other administrative moves that the government has been making are largely aimed at a slow return to normalcy with very strong standard operating procedures and protocols as far as social distancing and fight against the pandemic is concerned. But yes, when it comes to revival will need lifting of certain restrictions. Now, the government in its last set of guidelines had announced that several MSMEs and industries could open. Businesses and other entities were also allowed to start operating. But we have seen a parallel crisis unfolding. Migrant laborers and laborers are leaving their place of work and returning to their homes. Now, in that scenario, there are twin problems coming. One, the lockdown is not letting workers reach their place of work, and also it's taking the workforce away. So what is critical is that workers are made to stay on. There is some amount of arrangement for workers to reach their place of work. But with mass transport systems not in place, not operating because of restrictions, that's a problem. And that is where I can tell our viewers that one major thought going behind the next set of guidelines which are likely to come is that in an experimental basis, in partial manner, can some degree of mass transport system for making people, movement of people, especially workers from point A to point B, be allowed is under serious consideration. Mass transport systems can to carry workers and laborers to their place of work and back is under consideration of the government. One will have to wait for the final guidelines, but I think that is one of the most critical element. As far as airlines concerned, airlines right now, it seems that in these guidelines, there may be no clear assurances on when the flights domestic will operate. Perhaps some flights to help people who are to be evacuated out of India, who have to fly out of India from main transit points like Bombay, Delhi and other. Beyond that, some people can be helped to move from smaller towns to big towns for the flights out of India. But right now, civil aviation may remain impacted because some standard protocols are yet to be drawn. Also, schools virtually going to be remaining education institutions. The protocols will remain the same. Beyond that, Delhi, for example, wants certain amount of businesses and shops to be open on a rotational basis. I think states are going to get much greater power this time around to create their own respective laws.
Well, let's hope that happens. Rahul, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're certainly looking out for business to start functioning. This is the moment where people have got to show a little more patience. We might see an extension by 2 more weeks, but with limited restrictions. Apart from containment zones, elsewhere, situation should get back to normal, but slowly. Let's take a quick break. We're going to be right back with more details on that. Do stay tuned.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.